In finance and insurance, a hammer clause is a specific provision that can drastically change your outcome during a settlement. Let's break it down. The term sounds aggressive because it is designed to pressure you into accepting a settlement offer you might otherwise reject. When this clause is triggered, you are effectively on the hook for any legal costs or damages that exceed the amount you just turned down. Essentially, it shifts the financial risk from the insurance company to you if you decide to go to trial, and the result is worse than the offer. Deciding whether to settle or head to trial is always a gamble, especially when a hammer clause is lurking in your insurance policy. In this scenario, if you reject a $50,000 offer but only win $40,000 in court, you might have to cover that $10,000 gap. It is a powerful tool for insurers to manage risk, making it vital to understand your policy terms before rejecting any settlement offers. Always read your policy documents carefully. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more money and legal basics. See you next time.